For 70 years, we thought we understood our galaxy, a tidy spiral 100,000 light-years wide. Every textbook, every diagram, every simulation told the same story. But now, the James Webb Space Telescope has revealed a truth so staggering that it shatters everything we thought we knew. The Milky Way isn't average. It's colossal, nearly 400,000 light-years across. A discovery so immense that astronomers are calling it the impossible measurement. Webb's infrared instruments peered through the dust that hides the galaxy's edges and uncovered a vast, invisible halo, a cosmic skeleton made of dark matter stretching far beyond the luminous disk. This dark framework doesn't just surround the Milky Way, it defines it. 90% of its mass is unseen, binding stars, gas, and entire stellar streams that stretch into intergalactic space. One stream, Sagittarius, wraps around us multiple times, reaching over 200,000 light-years from the galactic center. The Milky Way's boundaries aren't fixed, they dissolve into the cosmic ocean. And that discovery carries terrifying implications. If our galaxy is twice as large as we thought, then Andromeda, our nearest neighbor, is already closer than predicted. New Webb and Gaia data confirm that the dark matter halos of the two galaxies are overlapping. The invisible collision has already begun. Gravity is pulling us together, exchanging energy across the void. The future galactic merger, once believed to be billions of years away, has already started in silence. The Milky Way isn't waiting for contact. It's living through it. But something far stranger emerged in the data. Webb detected faint fluctuations rippling through the Milky Way's dark matter halo, subtle gravitational waves synchronized with bursts of energy from the galactic core. It was as if the halo itself was pulsing, breathing in rhythm with the supermassive black hole at our center. Some scientists suggested that dark matter might be reactive, responding to energy, perhaps even communicating. Others proposed something even bolder, that the dark halo is a quantum field, entangled with the rest of the universe, a vast invisible organ through which the cosmos exchanges information. Then came the impossible signal. As Webb mapped the outermost regions, it detected streams of light from stars far beyond where physics said they could exist, stars older than the Milky Way itself, orbiting in faint spirals. But the light wasn't normal. It carried distortions, periodic amplifications that suggested gravitational lensing from the dark halo itself. In other words, our galaxy wasn't just massive, it was acting like a telescope, bending and focusing light from across the universe. For the first time, we realized we weren't observing the cosmos from within, we were part of the lens through which it sees itself. When scientists modeled these distortions in 3 dimensions, a pattern emerged: galaxies, dark matter, and light all moving in synchrony, as if responding to a single, universal rhythm. The same frequency appeared in the quantum oscillations of hydrogen atoms, the simplest form of matter. The smallest and largest structures in existence were vibrating together, in perfect harmony. What Webb uncovered defied cosmology. The equations didn't fit. Gravity and expansion alone couldn't explain it. The data pointed to a new kind of field, one that carried information, not just force. Every particle, every photon, every atom seemed to be part of an invisible network, communicating faster than light, linking galaxies like neurons in a cosmic brain. The universe wasn't expanding into emptiness, it was talking to itself through matter and gravity. And then, just as suddenly as it appeared, the signal stopped. The pulsations, the rhythm, the cosmic heartbeat, gone. Some called it a glitch. Others feared something else. That by observing too deeply, humanity had triggered a change in the system itself. 1 week later, Webb detected a faint burst of infrared light, not from deep space, but from within its own line of sight. The pulse mirrored the same binary rhythm that had vanished. 10101, but inverted, as if the universe had replied. At that moment, every model, every law, every certainty began to fracture. The cosmos was no longer a silent stage of stars and gravity. It was something alive, aware enough to respond when we finally looked too closely. The impossible discovery wasn't just that the Milky Way was far larger than we ever imagined. It was that, in staring deep into the dark, we might have awakened the universe itself.